more effortless and more alcohol. It's fun, right? Okay. So, well, it's fun. Well, you thought. Okay, here we go. Ready? So we did wraps. We did 3 wraps or 4, 5, something like that. The first one was a waist wrap. So we did 1 prep, 2, and she follows her hand. She's not opening up wide. She's not opening up 90 degrees regardless of what I lead. She's facing her hand. So we did 1 prep, roller in, 3 and 4, let her out, 5 and 6 from this side. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Then we did 2 hands. We took the left hand up on 2, 1 up, 2 around halo, and 4, let her out, 5 from this side. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Cool. Very nice. Oh, and you did too. And then we did a shoulder wrap. A little bit different. Same prepping opposite to the side. Same follow your hand, ladies. And I'm going to go tight. I'm going to take it right to here, her left ear on 3. 1 prep, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. And then we did a left hand on top, took this cross hand thing, connected to 2. We went 1 prep, 2 over 3 and 4 over 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4 over 5 and 6. Right? And then we did a back wrap, which is the one that's harder to teach right, harder to learn correct. Right? So, and correct is 1, stop 2. You've got to take it close to her body and down on 3 and 3 and forward 4. Let her out. You got to take it down again. 5 and 6. So twice from here. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, right down and up, down 7 and 5 and 6. Good. Cool. Okay. Yeah, she's got it for me. So thank you guys very, very much. We're going to go ahead and take a juice little break. Robert will take care of us. We'll be back in a few minutes. We're going to add some cool stuff to this. Thank you so much.